Hi guys! I think today is like the third day after the blizzard hit. And you might think, well, it's not that bad. But yes, it is. We do get more snow than this in Ohio, but this was terrible. It started off as freezing rain, then turned to snow. So there is a solid inch of ice under the snow. Driving is a nightmare. And the wind chill factors got down to 30 degrees below zero Fahrenheit. It was horrible. I think today it's 12 degrees, but I gotta go shopping. So I'm gonna be driving the Jeep. It'll get me there. And I'm wearing these really, really ugly snow boots, just in case I have to get out and walk. See you at the store. Okay. Four-wheel drive. Absolutely. Let's go. Whoa, it's like a skating rink. We'll get there. Slow and steady. Not a problem. We're here. Parking lot looks fairly good. Maybe I didn't need to wear the boots. Well, I don't know. Nah, it's not that good. It's slushy. Ugh. Yuck.
These I think are harder, and then they make like 5x5, 7x7, 11x11. I saw this.
Yeah, they might be sold out and not.
Well, hello, darling.
How are you? Oh, you bringing me more dinos?
Oh, yeah.
What you got?
Well, I bet you have them already.
I have those. I don't have this one.
Really?
How are you doing? Did you have a good Christmas?
Yes. Oh, all good. How about you?
Yeah.
You cook a lot?
Yeah, I cook every day, so.
Yeah. So it wasn't any different then. Any special?
I make turkey and gravy and.
Well, that's good enough. That's really good enough.
And watched. My daughter was asleep most of the day because she works third shift.
Oh,
so she
honey.
was in bed. So
Oh, of course.
Christmas Day, I watched a marathon of The Walking Dead.
Oh, how cool!
Yeah, on Christmas.
Yes. Oh my God! With your turkey, oh my God, how fancy job! Oh, awesome! That is awesome.
Oh.
Let me just hang this.
Well, I bet you're busy, so I got what I need.
Okay.
You have a great day.
So you too, honey. So good to see you always.
Tell you what, Reese's came out with a whole lot of stuff to try to sell her.
This is the day after Christmas, and it looks like they have sold out of a lot of stuff. Empty shelves. Goodbye, everybody. Brr. This thing has a 6-inch lift kit on it, so it is crazy hard to get into with a skirt on. And the store didn't have any milk, no milk at all, so now I gotta go to another store. There is no milk here either. What happened? Did all the cows freeze? Okay, let's try another store. I'm getting milk if I have to drive to Wisconsin. Yes, yes, we have milk. Yes.
Tight enough where I don't have to time if I didn't want to. So.
And I don't know about them.
Goodbye, everybody, and have a great day. This time I mean it. I got my milk.